Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you noticed from our title, is in honor of my sister. Now you know every year in the month of October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we like to honor our victors, okay? And in addition to doing that, we also like to give a shout out, call out our loved ones' names who may not necessarily be here any longer as a result of this disease. However, my sister Leah, you know I'm going to post a picture up here, okay? Who I love, love, love dearly. She said to me, you didn't do a video this time. What's going on? I said, you are absolutely right. I said, tell me what you want and I will do that. I said, we did a silver look. We did I want to say it was a blue look. And tell me what you want this time. So she said to me, I found it totally hilarious. She said, in your videos, behind you on the shelf, there is a palette. She said, it's not on the left side, it's on your right side over here. This is the palette that she was referring to. So I said to her, you know what, Leah? I've never used that palette. It's been sitting there since I got it. So I will be more than happy to create a look for you in honor of the fact that my sister is still here with me. I love her so much, y'all. And she is hilarious. To know her is to love her. She knows no strangers. She's good to everybody. And she's got a hilarious sense of humor. So I said, you tell me what you want. I said, now, the only thing is that palette is a garden palette. I said, so the shades that are in here are rather bright. She said, okay. She said, you know my favorite colors, and as long as it's not the colors that I don't like, I'm fine. I said, okay. So this line right here, she loved everything in it. Everything in it. She said she loved everything in this palette except for one, and that's this one right here. My sister does not like reds and pinks. Totally against it. But purple and blue are her favorites. I said, okay, then I'll be more than happy to create a look for you. And that is what we did on today. Now, I just want to give you some details before we get into the video so that you can see this look being created. And I'll give you a couple shots at the end. Please let me know what your thoughts are. Now, before I share with you actually everything that we used, I want to remind you, today is October the 30th, which means there is one day left in this month. Now, there's a giveaway going on. There is a giveaway. I will link the video. So if you want to be a part of that, jump in, okay? And go ahead and leave your information in the comment section of that video, okay? So, being that everything was so kind of, in my daughter's words, so cheery, I needed something where I could get a little bit of depth, okay? Because the shades were so bright. So what I did is I went to the Nubian Royal palette by JUVIA'S Place, which is this one right here. And we used this purple right here to add a little bit of depth. Okay, so everything, well, actually, we used as much JUVIA'S Place products as possible. Okay, so our eyeshadows, we used our JUVIA'S Place eye base, and we even used our Royal Blue Juvia's Place eyeliner. Okay, now the other thing is we had some new brushes that just came in. They were this set right here. I'm not going to show you the other ones because they're all covered in eyeshadow right now, but we did even use these. Okay, so I will give you all the information. I will take a picture and I will post it probably down in the corner of everything that we used. So, well, all the JUVIA'S Place items that we used. And then that way, if you would like to recreate and let your girl know, I would so totally appreciate it. Okay, so if you'd like to see how this look was created, please, by all means, keep watching. And this, of course, is the final look. Tell me your thoughts. So, Leah, I just want to let you know that I love you so much, sis. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and you love the look that was created. Keep on being victorious. Now, to all of you who have watched this video up to this point, you know, of course, I want you to subscribe, comment, and like, but I want to also invite you to put your loved one's name in the comment section down below. A victor or one who has given up the fight or one that has succumbed to this disease, okay? We just want to shout them out and keep you in our prayers, okay? So, I just want to let you know I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we created this look in honor of our survivors and victors of breast cancer. Okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.